Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about equal vectors. So how do you know if two vectors are equal? Well, they have to have the same magnitude and direction. So let's say I have vector u, which is a1, b1, and vector b, which is a2, b2. Well, the first thing you have to know is that their magnitudes have to match. The magnitude of u has to equal the magnitude of v. If that's not true, they are not equal. However, you also have to make sure that the components match because they have to be in the same direction. So A1 would have to equal A2 and B1 has to equal B2. Let's take a look at an example. Are the vectors u and v equal if u equals 4, 6 and v equals 4, 6? Well, A1 is 4 and A2 is 4. That bodes well. B1 is 6 and B2 is 6. So those all match. So because your A's match and your B's match, the magnitudes obviously also have to match. So the two vectors are equal. What if I gave you u is negative 3, 2 and v is negative 3, 8? Well, A1 is negative 3 and A2 is negative 3. Those match. Yay. B1 is 2, B2 is 8. Ooh, not so great. They don't match in every component, so the vectors are not equal. What if I gave you something graphically though? All right, are these two vectors equal? Well, do they have the same magnitude? Yeah, they do, because they're the same length arrow. But they do not have the same direction. They're going in opposite directions. So the vectors are not equal. What if I gave you this one? They definitely don't have the same magnitude, even though they are in the same direction. So because they failed the magnitude test, they are still not equal. All right, one more. What about these two? Well, they're the same length or the same magnitude, and they're in the exact same direction. So the vectors are equal. And that's how you can tell if vectors are equal, whether you're looking at it algebraically or graphically.